friends, welcome back to my Neural Technologies global video. In today's video, I want to remind you that you are supposed to turn on your robot. Okay, that means you have to activate your robot between 00 hours to 23 hours UTC time. Now, if you are not in the UTC time zone, please use Google to check this time, okay, in your own country time zone, so that you don't miss it, okay? Because if you miss or if you forget to activate your robot on Sunday, this happens every Sunday, guys. If you miss to activate it, it means you will not be able to activate it again until the next Sunday. So what does that tell you? It means you have lost money for the whole week. You've lost profit because you will not make any profit when the robot is inactive. So please, every Sunday, remember to do this. If possible, set up your alarm, okay, to remind you to activate your robot. It is very, very important, because if you don't, it means you are going to be losing money. Okay, so how do you activate your robot? Let me show you how to do that. Okay, it's easy. When you log into your account, for example, this account is already active. You can see bottom right here is already active. Okay, but in your own case, on Saturday night it's going to go inactive, and then you should activate it on Sunday. So when your account is inactive, this is what you get. Okay, so you get something like this, says robot status inactive. You can see it there. So all you then need to do is to click this button to say activate robot, and that happens every Sunday, 00 hours to 23 hours UTC time. Once you click that activate robot, your robot will be activated within this time on Sunday, and you will see a pop message here that says robot activated successfully on activation day. So you can see you can only activate your robot every Sunday. If you miss, then you have missed that whole week profit. So please, guys, make sure you do this. If you're watching this video today, Sunday, make sure you do it. Remember also that I am giving away $50 gift certificate to anybody signing up with my link. If you wish to sign up with my link today, you will get $50 gift certificate added to your account, and then that will get you started. But please do not rely only on the gift certificate, because you are not going to make as much profit as somebody that has deposited like 500 or 1,000 or 2,000 into this platform. The platform is making money for us, so it is advisable for you to start first with the $50 certificate, just like this account, right? You can see that this account started with only $50 gift certificate I have given to the owner of the account, and then the owner of the account is going to fund their account later on. So guys, if you wish to join my team, use the link below this video description to join my team in Neural Tech Global, which NTG. That is what I'm calling it right now, NTG. So guys, see you in my team. Thank you. God bless.